In this video, let's see how to add and manage contacts in Easify. In the navigation bar, click on Contacts. Let's start by learning how to set up a new contact group. In the Contacts section, click the Add button. In the pop-up, enter the name of the new group. Now click Create button. The new contact group has been added successfully. Now select your new contact group. To continue, let's add some contacts to this group. Click on Import Contacts in the top right corner of the page to add a large number of contacts to the group at once. To upload your contacts, drag your CSV file into the highlighted section of the pop-up. Ensure that your file follows the same format as the sample file. Select the appropriate value for the additional fields if your files contain any. You can see the import progress here when it is completed. Now, let's go back to the All Contacts page. Select the new group. As you can see, every contact has been successfully added to the group. Now let's check how to add a single contact. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Add New Contact from the drop-down menu. Fill all the spaces in the pop-up, then click Submit. The new contact is successfully added to the top of the contact group. Now let's see how to manage multiple contacts in this group. Click the checkbox to select all contacts in the list. You can see multiple options here, and even more options in the menu. Click on a contact from the list to view their details. You can see all the details and primary actions for the contact here. Click the three-dot menu at the top right to view more options. Select Delete to remove this contact from the list. Click Confirm in the pop-up to delete the contact. The contact has been successfully removed from the list. That's all for contacts in Easify. Thank you for watching.